The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hello, everyone. Plenty of warmth out right now. Certainly warmer than the past few days, with Roanoke at 84, Hot Springs at 72, and South Boston at 83. Zooming out, there is warmth concentrated a little bit down towards our south, and then some cooler air working its way in. Not quite as clear-cut as some of the fronts that we've had earlier on. So Atlanta's at 86, pretty similar to us. Chicago's at 85, which is similar, but you go south to Memphis, and it's at 70. Kansas City's stuck at 70 as well. There's a cold front there that's pushing through that is bringing some colder air in. But as you get to the southern edge of that front, it brings a lot of warmth. So Dallas is up into the mid-90s right now. And even though we're staying dry, up towards our northeast, there are some showers. But especially further towards the southwest, there's a severe thunderstorm watch extending through a lot of Texas into Louisiana and even into Mississippi and crosses over into Alabama. Lots of severe thunderstorm warnings out there. I think we've seen some tornado warnings as well. But that's all staying well far down towards our southwest. In fact, what we have most to deal with for today is some of the smoke. Low pressure still up towards our northeast, and there's still plenty of fire in Canada. As today went along, it started to move further towards the east, and it's a lot better now. Going into Sunday morning, there's not going to be a ton of smoke left over. There's still some in the air, so we still have moderate air quality as opposed to good. But going through Sunday evening with our front coming in from the south, that's going to help to change the pattern and really increase the air quality over the next couple of days. Now, if you do want to spend some of that time outside tomorrow, be aware that the UV index is really high. We're getting to our peak day length. That's only about 10 days off from now. So anytime the sun's out, it's really, really strong. Sunburns can set in as little as 15 minutes for right now. On the future tracker, we do stay pretty clear going into tomorrow morning. So if you spend that time outside early on Sunday, that's why it's really important to have the sunscreen, because there's nothing to really help block any of the UV rays coming in. Now, we stay pretty dry until about 3 p.m. Showers start to build up by then. Might get some heavy rain coming through south side, but those downpours will be limited. Towards 2 a.m., the showers in general are still off towards our west. It takes a while for that front to really develop. We get some of our more moderate rain in the first part of Monday. Through noon, there's some showers left over. But after 1 p.m., a lot of that moves off towards the east. We stay dry through the later part of Monday going into Tuesday. Today's storms are limited down towards the south, especially towards Dallas into Louisiana. Tomorrow, there is a good amount of storminess that occurs in Arkansas towards Tennessee, but it stays pretty far towards our west and then to the south of us on Monday. A lot of us are going to get a little bit more than 1/10 of an inch, especially as you get further towards the west. Blacksburg, Lewisburg, Wytheville, those are the spots with the heaviest rain, but it's not going to cause a huge amount of damage, and the severe threat for us is low. After that front comes through, the humidity really drops, keeping us comfortable for Tuesday. Overnight, we fall back down to the 50s. Roanoke's at 58, Danville at 58, and then on Sunday, we're able to warm up okay, putting Roanoke at 86. That is above average for this time of year. On the extended forecast, we cool down as Monday's front comes through, and then stay in the mid-80s pretty consistently with light shower chances after that. On our 3-degree guarantee, we hit it right on the money for today, putting us at $100 extra and $170 for the month so far.